guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with paneer tikka masala with this yummy green chutney that goes perfectly with this starter recipe. Let's start with making green chutney, and these are the ingredients you'll be needing, and everything is listed down in my description box below. Now let's start by adding 1 cup of cilantro or coriander and 1 inch ginger and fresh 1 cup mint and few green chilies, jeera powder and salt, and water accordingly. Don't put too much water, otherwise it will become too runny. Then I'm adding half cup of curd here. This is the hero of the chutney, please don't miss this. And I forgot to show you guys that I added peanuts also. Yeah, I added it later because I forgot it. Then keeping it aside, let's start with our main dish, paneer tikka masala, and these are the ingredients you'll be needing. Now take 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan, and we'll just dry roast it so that it gives out all the smell and it becomes nice nutty smell. As you can see, it's ready, it's brown. Now let's take a bowl and add our chickpea flour. Then I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of oil. Again, half cup of curd. I'm taking thick curd here. Then I'm taking 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Then I'm adding all these masalas. It's listed down in the description box below, and I've written here it all as well. Now let's mix everything properly and make sure like this paste, and then we'll add our veggies, capsicum, onions. You can even add tomatoes if you want. Then make sure each and every piece is coated with this marinade. Then I'm adding here 500 grams of paneer, and even paneer should be coated well, and each paneer, all of the veggies should be coated well. And then I'm adding salt and lemon juice as per your taste. Now mix everything properly, and now we'll marinate it for minimum 30 minutes or maximum as you wish. Then I'm taking a toothpick, and then I'm adding 1 piece of paneer, 1 capsicum, 1 onion, and again 1 paneer back, and keeping it aside. You can do it with long skewers as well, or you can do with the small toothpicks. Or if you don't have any of these, I have another method also where I'm not going to use any of them. Just direct on tawa we'll be making the paneer tikka masala. Then take a pan, add some oil according to your preference, minimum oil, more oil, your wish. Let's take a brush and just spread it everywhere, and just keep all the skewers in the center and let the oil heat a little, and then we will cover it with a nice lid and let it just cook. Don't keep it for too long also. We just don't want to cook our vegetables. It has to be a little crunchy as well. And keep turning your paneer sticks gradually, and when you are happy with the brown color you have achieved, then we can remove it. As it's starting to get brown, I'm gonna turn and make sure that I did for the all sides. This is a perfect starter recipe and exactly tastes like a restaurant style paneer tikka masala. I can guarantee you the taste. It's really tasty, and as you can see, this set is ready. I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna show you without toothpicks or any skewers needed. It will taste exactly the same as well. Just make sure you add some oil again and start placing all your veggies and paneer separately. Don't touch them, otherwise they won't cook properly. Again, close the lid and keep checking on your paneer, and then turn each and every single element on your pan and just cook it on all the sides, and make sure it's just brown and yummy. Here's ready. As you can see, it looks the same, and it's just amazing and equally yummy, and this makes the perfect starter dish you can remove everything into a bowl and enjoy. And don't miss the green chutney, guys. It goes amazing with this, and it's really easy to make as well. This is it, guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.